Hi guys! Today I'm going to talk to you about galaxies. I love looking at pictures of galaxies because they're so beautiful, and I really like learning about galaxies too because there's so much information and so much to learn, and it's really fun. I'm only going to go over the basics with you guys. What is a galaxy? A galaxy is a system of stars held together by gravitational attraction. This means that there can be like individual stars everywhere, and they're all lumped together in a group because they are all attracted, because they're all close enough to be attracted by each other's gravitational pull. There are three types of galaxies. First, spiral. Our Milky Way is a fairly large spiral galaxy. Second, elliptical. Elliptical galaxies have much less rotation than spiral galaxies. And third, irregular. Irregular galaxies have lots of gas and are in the process of making new stars. So why are there different types of galaxies? The galaxy type is dependent on the formation and what happened during that formation. The type of galaxy depends on the amount of rotation there was in the gas that the galaxy formed out of. As of right now, the closest galaxy to us is the Canis Major Dwarf Galaxy, which is located 2,500 light years away from our Sun. It would take approximately 749 million years to travel that distance. And even if you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take 2,500 years. So how do we measure the distance to other galaxies? The simple answer is in megaparsecs, which is millions of light years. Less simply, by studying Cepheid variables. These are stars that shine in a very distinct way. They are very bright and very unstable. Unstable means they expand and contract. From the variation in the speed of those expansions and contractions can determine their luminosity. Luminosity is the apparent brightness, and from the luminosity we can determine the distance. We use Cepheid variables to determine the distance to galaxies that are near enough for us that we can observe individual stars in a telescope. For very distant galaxies, we measure the distance with Hubble's law. This is Hubble's law. Velocity equals Hubble's constant times the distance. The h stands for Hubble's constant, which is 22 kilometers per second. So to find the distance to a nearby galaxy, we would rearrange this equation so it looks like this. Distance equals velocity divided by Hubble's constant. And to find the velocity, that is the redshift, which is the distance the object is moving away from us. So what does this all mean? The velocity at which a galaxy is moving away from us is directly proportional to its distance from us. The farther away a galaxy is, the faster it's moving away from us. So now we've inadvertently stumbled upon proof that our universe is expanding. I know that's a lot to handle, and it's been fun explaining galaxies to you and the different ways that we discover the distance between us and different galaxies, and I hope you guys learned something, because I definitely did. If you have any questions at all about anything about galaxies, I'll try and answer them, and just leave comments.